Hello, good morning everyone. Hi, this is me, Cel De Leon. And we're here at Zambales. This is our day 2 at Zambales. And we're here to visit the famous Mapanuepe Lake, the New Zealand in the Philippines. Ayun, look like New Zealand daw. Bago ka kasi makapasok dun sa may pinakadaanan papunta dun, kailangan mo ng tour guide. So, ayan, nagbayad si Tito Jess ng magtutour sa amin. So, anyway, thank you nga pala sa Katayang family for inviting us na sumama sa kanilang family trip. We'll never forget this awesome experience, Tito Jess and Tito Weng and Katayang Sibs. Ayun, ay, putol ng puno. Pero I'm sure naman pinapalitan nila yan kapag nipuputol nila. Diba? When you cut one tree, dapat palitan mo ng 3 na trees. Mag-plant ka ng 3 na trees. So, ayan, hindi namin inaasahan. Hindi kami na yan ikuya na may dadaanan kami na parang may tubig talaga siya, flowing yung water. So, napashabak po si Mr. Expander. Thank you, Kuya Miggy. So, yan. Ang ganda naman ng place talaga. Talagang picture perfect siya. Kaya lang, hindi pa siya masyadong gawa yung mga dinadaanan. So, talagang rough and rocky road. Actually, hindi pa siya road. Parang pinilit lang. Pero, ayan o, they are waiting for us. Ang ating mga kapatid na Aita. So, pasensya na po kayo sa aking voice over kasi pagod ang first son. Sobrang haba ng binahe namin. Kahit hindi ako yung nagdadrive, yung magwigil-wigil ka lang sa loob ng sasakyan kasi nga up and down yung aming way to Mapanuepe. Tapos talagang ilang daan kami sa tubig na talagang flowing. Actually, yung buong dinadaanan namin, parang feeling ko before is water siya kasi sa map color blue. So, parang siguro dahil volcanic eruption. So, yun dun tumapon yung mga lahar. So, yun nangyari. Kasi nga, yung iba, tuyot kasi puro lahar siya. So, yun. Ano ko lang naman yun. Parang feeling ko lang. Wow! Papaka-ano. Ano ka? Sino ka dyan? Trivia ka dyan. So, yan. Natagpuan na namin yung Haven in Mapanuepe. Yun o. So, nice. Para ka nasa ibang dimension. I mean, nasa ibang place talaga. So, parang nakarating na rin kami ng New Zealand. Wow! So, nice, no? Ng mga trees. Here we go! Team De Leon at Mapanuepe Lake. Actually, pag pumunta ka dito, kailangan mo talaga sila. Kailangan mo talaga ng tour guide. Kasi ang lawak-lawak ng place and ang hirap ng mga daan. So, sila kabisado nila. Naka-motorcycle nga lang siya. Naka-backride lang si Sir Kuya. Kaya, hindi ko natanong yung pangalan niya. Pero sobrang sipag sanay mag-English. Ang galing. So, ang ganda ng lake. Pero hindi ka daw pwede mag-swimming dito. Pero sabi naman ni Kuya, pwede naman daw kasi may nakita kaming naliligo. Pwede na yun namin dinrive. Kasi, pero may CR dito ha, anyhow. Means pwede ka maligo, pwede kang mag-poops, pwede ka umihi. So, yun. Maganda yung place. Buti may dala kaming mga camp chairs and mats. Kasi meron dito nakasabay kami na dito sila matutulog. But for us, kasi nga since may kasama kami na kids and pauwi na rin kami, gusto lang namin talagang magkaroon ng experience and picture dito. So, hindi na kami nagdala ng tent. Pero ang ganda nga talaga ng place kasi parang reach mo lang yung mountains. Ayan, tinutoyo si Travis kasi nakakita na naman siya ng water. Gusto niyang maligo. Ayan, buti si Ate Bea in a mood to take picture. Ayan, ang ganda ni Ate, and ang ganda ng view sa likod ni Ate, yung lake, and then, hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung tawag doon sa mountain. As in, nakapalibot, mountain range talaga. Tapos, sa pagtawid dun sa lake, makikita mo naman yung mga pine trees na nagtataasan talaga as in. So guys, i-enjoy nyo na lang yung mga pictures namin and mini videos na clips kasi wala na talaga akong voice. So enjoy! Yung naka-pink na dress and naka-gray na shirt, sila po yung bago naming Ninong and Ninang. Nakapulot ng Ninong at Ninang. Si Ninong Jess at si Ninang Wayne. Thank you very much po. Na-share ko lang, may different phases tong Mapa Nuepe na place. I think it's phase 1 to 4, but I'm not sure. Hindi ko rin alam kung saan kami nag-stop na phase. Pero ito na yung may lilim talaga. So, perfect siya for family. Talagang magbabanding kayo, mag-uusap lang kayo kasi wala talagang signal dito. So, kung gusto niyo ng peace and serenity, ito yung perfect place for you. Tapos, maganda rin kung dito kayo mag-overnight para ma-experience nyo yung mag-stargazing, moon and stars. Wag lang uulan talaga. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, pagka narinig mo yung, pag wind blow, maririnig mo talaga yung mga trees. Sobrang, medyo natakot ako kasi parang, pero alam mo yun, may dadating na maraming birds and all. Kapapanood ng mga yung mga Walking Dead and all. Pero hindi. Sobrang nice ng experience. Yung pera lang dun sa Hindi kasi ako masyadong fan nung dadaan kayo sa trail, tapos rough road. Nahihilo talaga ako. May ako, yung sickness, moving sickness. So, pero, beside that, rough roads and all, pag nakita mo naman yung view, mapapawi talaga yung hilo mo and suka mo. It was nice experience. Tas dyan, may lalapit sa'yo si ate na magbebenta ng fresh buko juice. Tas pwede mo rin siyang pa-chop para makain mo yung buko sa loob. And then, it cost 75 pesos per Tapos yung bayad kay kuya, sabi ni Ninong, 800 pesos siya, yung bayad sa tour guide. It is a perfect place for family outings and lazy camping. However, going there will not be easy, but it's totally worth it. The rough road trail going there is around 45 kilometers, starting from the Zambales Mega Dike. Even so, if you're looking for a perfect place to relax, then Lake Mapa Nuepe is a special place for you because you don't need to trek, it's just chill camping. Ayan, thank you Lord, ganda lang talaga sa wondrous creation ng ating Panginoon. Sobrang ganda nung mga view ng mga bundok, nung lake, nung place, nung ambience. Trivia naman po tayo. The lake was created after the cataclysmic eruption of Mount Pinatubo in 1991. The lahars flowing the eruption blocked the drainage of Mapanuepe River south of the volcano, flooding Mapanuepe Valley together with its settlements. Mapanuepe Lake is a freshwater lake located in the municipality of San Marcelino, Zambales. In the Philippines, the lake was created after yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, dahil sa eruption ng Mount Pinatubo noong 1991. Mapanuepe Lake is located at the confluence of Marela and Mapanuepe rivers as the two rivers merge to become the Santo Tomas River. The water is reportedly contaminated with mercury leaking from the abandoned Dizon copper mine, which is located at the east shore of the lake. However, harmful chemicals are now diluted and the lake is believed to be safe for diving and fishing. Lake Mapanuepe is one of the newest tourist destinations in the Zambales province, which is situated in Barangay Aglao, San Marcelino Municipality. Many local tourists call this Lake Mapanuepe the New Zealand of Zambales because the view is very akin to those vast green pastures and lush green grass found in New Zealand. In addition, the area is surrounded by hills and towering pine trees. Lake Mapanuepe has a size of more than 500 hectares and a depth of 20 meters. As of today, Lake Mapanuepe is one of the emerging tourist spots in Zambales province.